Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen today. Today we're gonna cook curry king prawns with pasta. So right here we have one white chopped onion. We have two stalk of spring onion. And we have half of red bell pepper, half of green bell pepper, half of yellow bell pepper. We have piece of grated ginger. We have 5 cloves of grated garlic. We have some pasta over here what we're going to use. And this is the king prawns where we already clean and wash already, ready to go. We have some all-purpose season. We have some curry powder and half of lemon. So today on the menu we're going to cook curry king prawns with pasta. So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you will get it, and please share and like the video. So guys, what we're going to do now, we're going to season up the king prawns. We're just going to put half a teaspoon of all-purpose season. Put half a teaspoon of all-purpose season over that. We're going to put a little bit of garlic powder. Slight little bit of garlic powder. True, we have the crushed garlic already. We're going to use a slightly little touch of garlic powder. We're going to use a touch of black pepper. So we're just going to mix that in. So guys, I have around 30 large king prawns right here. We're going to look after today. So today on the menu is curry king prawns with pasta. So I'm just going to leave that for around 20 minutes to marinate. So guys, I just put on some water on the pot on the stove to boil. So I'm just going to drop in a little tip of olive oil, half a teaspoon of olive oil in my pasta. It's up to you if you want to put in olive oil when you're cooking your pasta. But I like to put a little drop of olive oil when I'm cooking pasta. So I'm just going to put in the pasta. So guys, my king prawns been marinated for around 20 minutes. So now I'm just going to put in one white chopped onion. So one white chopped onion in that. I'm going to put in 5 cloves of grated garlic and 1 piece of grated ginger. It's up to you guys if you want to grate the garlic or you want to crush it or you want to cut it up slightly, but I grated it. So I'm just going to let that brown off a bit before I brown off my curry. So I've been browning off my 1 white chopped onion and 4 grated cloves of garlic and 1 piece of grated ginger. So now I'm just going to put in a tablespoon of curry. Just 1 tablespoon and put it in curry. Give that a mix. So I want my curry to brown off before I put in the rest of the season, like the bell pepper and the spring onion. So I'm gonna give it around 2 minutes to brown off. So guys, my curry has been browning off for less than a minute. So now I'm just gonna drop in the king prawns in it. Give it a nice gentle stir. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt in it because I put a little bit of all-purpose season, but all-purpose season I've been salt in it already. So I'm using no oyster sauce or no soy sauce. I'm just gonna add in a little touch of salt. So I just want to give this around 3.5 minutes to 4 minutes. So now I'm gonna add in my bell pepper. So half of green bell pepper, half of red, and half of yellow bell pepper. And 2 stalks of spring onion. Just gonna add in 2 stalks of spring onion. Gonna add in half a teaspoon of sugar, white sugar. That's a nice stir. Look at the color of that, guys. That is so beautiful. So guys, if you don't watching my video and you don't subscribe to my YouTube page, please do. Please hit that big red button, and it's free to subscribe, and share and like the video and hit that notification. Guys, when you're boiling pasta, be careful. It would boil right over in the fire. I just have to take off the lid after this one. And that, people. Guys, this been cooking for the last 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna give it a turn. I'm gonna take it off in a minute. And that stock, guys, that gravy. So when you're cooking curry cream prawns, it's not very hard to cook. It's very easy to cook. You don't want to give it no more than 4 minutes. That's beautiful. So that's ready. That's done. Guys, I have my pasta here. This finished. I just drain off the water. So I just drain off the water of the pasta. And I have my curry king prawns over here ready. So this is all finished as well. So guys, now I'm just gonna dish it out and eat it for dinner. So please subscribe to my YouTube page, and please hit the notification bell, and please share and like the video. So guys, right now I'm just gonna dish out the food. I'm just gonna share out the pasta with some curry king prawns. That's what I cook for my dinner today. So guys, please share and like the video, please hit the notification bell, so when I post a video you guys will get it. So it's curry king prawns with served with pasta. So just gonna add some curry king prawns in it. Kind of people, that is beautiful. A little bit of sauce. A little bit more king prawns than that. Look at that, people. Curry king prawns with pasta. So this is all finished. So please hit that notification bell and please share and like the video. Guys, this is all finished. This is my curry king prawns served with pasta. A little bit of garnish on the top. Parsley. And I have some sliced tomato. I just pick a tomato from my garden. So please hit that notification bell and please share and like the video. And if you're watching my video, guys, and don't subscribe, please hit that red button. It's free to subscribe. And please share and like the video. I have a lot more recipe coming out. For that, people.